Hey everyone, my name is Alex Bell. I make Twitch tutorial videos. Today is March 29th, 2026, and in this video, I'll explain the FollowersPanda affiliate program, how to join, how it works, and how much you can earn. FollowersPanda is a platform that offers Twitch growth services. It helps streamers get followers, viewers, and engagement. It's mainly used by new creators who want faster growth. You can buy Twitch followers, live viewers, and chat activity. These services help make your stream look more active. This can improve visibility and attract real viewers over time. To join the affiliate program, go to the affiliate page. Generate your unique link. Then contact support to get verified. Once approved, you earn 5% commission on every sale. Payments are monthly with a minimum payout of $50. That's it. Simple and beginner-friendly. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more Twitch tutorials. I will see you in the next one.